Hey, good morning, guys. Today I'm just gonna do steering correction on my E46 M3 here. Already prepped, ready to go on both sides. So yeah, safety first, guys. Safety come first. Make sure everything's secure before you work under the car. I got my hydraulic jack right there, my rolling bed over there, so I can wheel myself under there. And my safety glass, my impact, my tool. I have some more tool inside the garage. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to work on replacing that steering coupler, whatever they call this. I'll show you on a picture up here, because the reason is my steering start to acting kind of weird when I drive. It kind of move back and forth, it's kind of loose. You can see on my video right here. It's not stiff at all. It's kind of loose, see? And it's just how it turned. And the car still goes straight, but the steering is like wobbling or loose like that. So I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna try to change out the steering coupling first. Maybe that will help solve the problem. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this plastic cover out. This plastic skate. There's a since I remove all that undercover, whatever that shield, splash shield under my E46 M3, you can see everything open up. Let me show you where the steering coupling under the E46 M3 located. It is right there. You can see right there. That is the steering coupler, which is right there, guys. These here. It seemed like it's okay by look, but don't judge it like that, because I think this is an OEM coupling. It has not been replaced, so I guess it's time to replace that. That's why my steering acting kind of warning back and forth. So there's two bolts that you need to take out. This one here, I think this is the E something, I don't remember, and also this one right here, this side right here. It's like a star bolt. Let me show you what that socket looked like. Here it goes, guys. Here it is. It looked like that, like a star shape. So the size is E10 right there. It's called E10 socket. So those are the two sides that you want to take it off. Alright, so I gotta put the phone down. I cannot hold the phone, but I'm gonna remove this coupling off. So Once I move out, I will show you the difference between the new one and the old one. I'm pretty sure it's flex a lot. That's why I have these movement, left and right. I would say about 10-degree off, back and forth. All right, let me take this down. All right, let me remove this ball out. Here you go. That's my last one. So you gotta do is just pull it out like that. Actually, I already took out from the steering shaft already, from the other end, which is from this end right here. I took it off already. Then now I just remove from the steering rack and pinion here. So that's it. This is the piece right here. Okay. Alright, here it is. This is my OEM original steering coupling, or steering coupler, or steering weeble, or whatever they call this. It's the way you look at it, it still looks like it's normal. I don't see any wear and tear on these rubber boot here, or whatever this is. It's like a hard plastic, and it is an OEM part. If you can see it back here, there's a BMW logo right there. So this is an OEM, guys, original. That's not has not been replaced. I know this car is a 2005, so what is this, like 15-16 years old? But this thing is kind of flex a little bit, so it should not be flex, but I have a little flex back and forth. But anyway, let me compare with the new one. It look like. Alright, here guys, here's the old part number, and here's the new one I just bought from a BMW. I mean, it look exact the same. I just need to use the existing E10 bolt here from both of them to put onto the new coupling here that I just bought from BMW. And here's the part number. This is for the E46 M3 from BMW, OEM part. I try to buy OEM stuff from my car. I know it's a little pricey, but hey, I don't want to cut corner with, especially with BMW, European car. Let me remove this bolt here and this bolt here and put it onto the new one here. As you can see, the new one doesn't do any reflecting at all. It's solid. So hard to try to bend this thing. No way. It's solid. It's not even loose or anything like that on here. On my old one, it does. Right here, see, right in this bolt area here, you can see it open up, and it's loose. If I can show you, they all come loose. I mean, it rocked back and forth. That's why, maybe that's the problem that causing that my steering is loose. So hopefully, let's see if that thing fixes the problem or not. I hope it fixes the problem. Alright, let me remove that bolt out and put onto the new one, and then slap it back onto the steering rack. Alright, so I'm gonna apply a small red Loctite onto this bolt right here. So you can see the existing one, it does have a red Loctite in there as well. So it's already dried up, so I'm gonna put a new red Loctite on there, on each of them. You don't want this thing to come off. All right, let's go under the car and put this back on and go do a test drive of it. See if this thing help the issue that I'm having. Now, to put it back on, it will be a little bit tricky. What you want to do, you see this shaft right here, the steering shaft right here, the one that I remove out first right here. It's a telescoping. You can see the way design is telescoping. So you can go inside the car and release the telescope latch under the steering wheel and then just pull up upward toward you, and then we'll move this shaft inward, move the shaft in, go in there, so that way you have room when you install the steering coupling back on. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it when you put the steering coupling back onto the shaft here. Alright, let me show you what I mean. Let's go inside the car. Okay, this is what I'm trying to tell you. The steering wheel have a telescoping going up and down like this. Here is the steering telescope latch. You just release that, and then you can just pull the steering toward you. So that way you have more room. You can see, just like that. So you have more room to install that coupling back on, or else you're gonna try to fight with it. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. So that way you have more room. All right. Okay, that's it. All right, brand new one has been installed. You can see, brand spanking new. No grease, no oil. Brand new. And I remember I put a red Loctite onto each of these bolts as well, just make sure that bolt won't come out, and these here too. So yeah, brand new steering coupler. All right, let's go test drive, and then we'll see how it feels. I hope that is the problem. Nice and smooth. I don't hear any clicking sound at all. Nice. Check that out, guys. Beautiful. I don't hear anything. Wow. So that is the solution, guys. Nice and stiff and firm. I don't hear any clicking, knocking sound, anything like that. Before I can turn this much. It was loose. The wheel's not even turned. Now I can feel I can turn it a little bit. The wheel is turning. I don't know if you can see it right there. Just a little turn. Before, when I turned the wheel about 5 degrees, the steering wheel's not even, the wheel's not even turned. Now it's just like solid. And the thing is so nice and smooth. Look at that. Love it. Just love it. All right, guys, so that is a solution to it. So thanks for watching, guys. All right, the car is done. Get the steering coupling installed. Now I'm just starting up the car, let the car warm up, and I also need to pump one of my rear passenger side tires. It's kind of low. I'm gonna pump it up real quick and then go for a test drive, guys. All right, let me pump my tire up first. It shows that I have, it give me a TMS sign on there. You can see that. That's my tire pressure is low. So I'm gonna pump it up and then we'll fix that problem. Hopefully everything fixed. Alright, guys. Hey, if you watch up to this far, appreciate it, and hopefully you like my short content how to replace the steering coupling. Look, now it's nice and smooth and stiff. It's firm. Before I can go click 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 like that. It's not firm like this. Now it's everything's nice and firm. So hopefully that is the problem. It's a quick fix, guys. Very quick, easy fix. If your steering started loose, that is the solution. All right. Tire pressure is gone. And let's back up. Gotta put my phone down. The steering is so nice and smooth. It's firm, very firm, stiff. Perfect. Let's do it. Hopefully that solved the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll update you while I'm driving too. So I can feel the steering already. I can feel the difference already. Oh yeah, that's it. Just yep. This is the solution. My steering is feel very nice and firm and stiff. No more loose, no rocking. I don't hear any noise like before. Before when I just turn back and forth like this, it give me a rocking sound, go click click. But this is nice and firm. The steering is nice and stiff. Guy, that's it. Before, when I go like fast speed, I have a nervous feeling that I have to control the car because the steering is loose, so it's kind of scary. But now the steering is nice and firm and stiff. So, will this solve the problem? Yes, it does. That's how you solve the problem when your steering is loose, guys. Mainly is that steering coupling. Traffic right now. But oh yeah, oh yeah. As you can see, I go about 80 miles per hour, nice and smooth. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe for more content on my video. Peace. Alright guys, appreciate you walking. I just came back from testing, drive it, and man, she performed very well with the steering. Back to original, like a brand new car. So it is that steering coupling. Again, thanks for watching, guys. If you watch all the way to the end, I appreciate it. And please, if you like it, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe for more content on my E46 M3 and my 2022 Tesla Model S, the refresh. So my channel is basically talking about these two vehicles, mainly for family road trip and activity, fixing the car, do a video content about those two cars. Cool, thank you so much. All right, bye now.